Hi guys, and today I'm gonna show you how to cut watermelon because season is about to start and you need to be prepared. So to get these nice cute sliced handles, so here is a washed watermelon. What we're gonna do is cut this in half this way. You can cut it the other way, but this way is gonna work better. So cut it in half this way like I showed, and then cut it the halfway the other way. So, and then you just gotta cut all the size. So like about 1.5 inches apart. So throw the sides away. You will not be using that as there's no watermelon. And now we are gonna be flip the watermelon this way so it's easier for you to cut and start cutting them this way. And that's how you're gonna get the perfect little handles like I'll show you. Wow, isn't that cute? I mean, it's perfect for parties. It's perfect and it's easy to just grab and eat. And you'll have more watermelon than the core of the part. Look how awesome that looks. You guys, make sure you do this and comment below how it went. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I hope you guys liked this little tip and found it useful. See you next time in the next video. Bye bye.